Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change text font on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story, and I'm just going to choose photo from my device. I'm going to choose this photo, and I'm going to add text to my story. I'm going to click on this A icon, and I'm just going to type in text font. Okay, and if you want to change the font, you just need to go to the section, and you can go right or go left to choose the font. And I'm gonna go with this bubble font. Okay, and then click on done. All right, and as you can see that the font has been changed. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change font on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.